How's it? So today I'll be talking about focusing and how to get a clear image in your film.
So this is an overview of what we're going to talk about today.
Focusing on a phone is extremely easy. Just touch the screen where you want the focus to be and press the record button.
On a DSLR, you can either automatically focus it by moving the slider to the left or manually focus it by moving it to the right. These are some bad examples of focusing. As you can see, the subject is blurred out and not clearly in focus. This is a good example. As you can see, the subject is extremely clear and focused. Also, when you're filming, make sure to look at the video on a big screen rather than a small screen. The bigger screen can catch more details than the smaller screen. As you can see, the watch isn't clearly in focus.
This is an example of rack focusing. I changed the focus from the headphones from the front to the back. It always helps to have markers or tape to help predetermine the focus when rack focusing. I first focus on the black box in the front. As you can see, I lined the tape with the tape in the front of the lens. Once I focus on the white box in the back, I place the tape again so that it lines up with the tape at the front of the lens. This technique helps racking the focus a lot smoother.
The aperture is very important when filming a documentary. As you can see from these examples, the lower aperture number has a blurrier background and a more focused subject. In the side-by-side comparison, there's a huge difference between f1.8 and f10. To change the aperture when filming, just press the AV button and use the dial to change the aperture number from low to high or high to low. The background is important when filming a documentary. You want a background with more depth instead of a background with solid color. This is a good example of a documentary background. If you do use a solid wall as a background, try to choose clothes with contrasting color from the background.
So I hope these techniques have helped you in focusing in your film.